Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Jerk chicken is one of Jamaica's most popular street foods. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make your own Jamaican jerk chicken right at home. Let's go ahead and prepare our seasonings. We'll be using half cup jerk barbecue sauce, quarter cup jerk marinade, dry seasoning comprised of quarter teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon dry jerk seasoning, 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, chopped onions, garlic, thyme, and crushed pimento seeds. The fresh seasoning not only adds great flavor, but it has some phenomenal health benefits. I choose to chop my seasoning, but it's fine if you want to puree yours. Let's set the seasoning aside and prepare our chicken. I already removed the skin for a healthier option. We will wash our chicken with vinegar and cut it into quarters or serving size. Next, we will add our seasoning and massage it into the chicken. Ensure every piece is well seasoned, and you may add salt as an option. We will cover our chicken and place it in the refrigerator overnight to marinate for best results. You can even marinate 2 to 3 days or freeze for a later use. So next day, the first thing we're going to do is prepare our grill. Here's how I like to do it. I prefer to use charcoal for a nice smoky flavor. We'll clean our grill and open the vent. Pile charcoal together. We'll set a blaze with our lighter fluid and leave for about 20 minutes until the charcoal is white or ashed over. While we're waiting for the fire to get ready, we will prepare our basting sauce. For our basting sauce, I have quarter cup barbecue sauce, that's the jerk barbecue sauce. Quarter cup chicken broth. Quarter cup ketchup. 1 teaspoon dry jerk seasoning. 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning. And we're gonna mix all these together very well. Another tip I like to use is to baste our chicken with oil. Doesn't matter what kind of oil you have. This allows the chicken to cook evenly and prevents it from sticking to the grill. Also, it will give it a nice golden brown color. So every time we turn our chicken, we're gonna baste it. And you want to turn your chicken every 5 to 8 minutes. So in about 45 minutes to an hour, your chicken should be fully cooked. And the internal temperature should be about 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius. Make sure you have a low to medium heat so you can slow cook your chicken and it doesn't get burnt. For more flavor, I'll add tomato sauce or ketchup and pepper sauce. Spread evenly by shaking the chicken in a bowl. We'll serve it with rice or festivals or rolls. Let me know in the comment section if you tried this recipe and how you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Oh, and don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. One love.